welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to tell you how to do an oil change on 2016 Daihatsu Hijet. What you're going to need is a 14mm socket or spanner, oil filter remover, catch tray, some jack stands and a jack. First thing you want to do is get all your junk from the passenger seat and move it to the tray or somewhere else. And then what you want to do is, you'll see this thing here, pull that latch and this will fold forward. Second thing you want to do is pull up on there and this will unhinge, and then lift the seat up, grab this, and there you go. Reason you want to do that is so you can get to this oil lid here, which you want to take off and put somewhere safe. Sure your rear wheels are chocked with a brick or a piece of wood. Next thing you want to do is you want to jack the car up. The place you can put your jack is just on the subframe there. So you'll see this bar. It goes to the lower control arms. That bar there is where you want to place your jack, right in the center. Maybe just get something like that so you don't damage your bumper bar right there. And then pop the jack stand up there, and then get your jack and just lay off the well, ideally do it a bit slower than that, but the oil filter that I'm going to use is Ryco Z632ST. One, two, three, and then half. All right, 3.5 liters. Couldn't actually find a funnel, so I'll have to make one. Bob's your uncle. Rigid edge. Alrighty. Watch me still spill it. I'm going to put something underneath. Now to check the oil, go to the driver's side, lift the chair up. You'll see a little red thing here. Just pull that red knob. So small. Tiny dipstick. That's what she said. It may be a pin, but it moves like a sewing machine. I don't know if I'm going to keep that in. That's what she check. You want to make sure that the sump nut there, the sump bolt, sorry, is tight. The oil filter's tight, and on the passenger side, the lid for the engine oil is back on. So those are the three main things you want to check.